Hi everyone, welcome back to Chaz's Lifestyle. Today I'm going to show you how I create this delicious and easy chicken, green bean, and potato dish. So I have about 4 chicken breasts cubed. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of Cajun seasoning and I'm going to give that a quick mix. I will be adding in Sazon for the color and more flavor. After that, give that a quick mix and we're going to set that to the side and preheat a pan with oil. Okay, so my pan is preheated on medium-high heat. I just want to sear the outside of my chicken breast to give that a nice pretty color. Okay, and then we're going to finish that off in the oven. So after about 2 to 3 minutes, I went ahead and flipped my chicken over to the other side, like I said, just to give it a pretty color on each side. Next, I'm adding in all of the chicken in one bowl. So I'm adding in some potatoes that I boiled for about 10 minutes just to start the cooking process. I blanched my green beans for 5 minutes to start the cooking process as well. I'm adding in a little bit more of that Cajun seasoning, and I have a little mix of garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and pepper, and I will have all of my ingredients listed down below in the description box. Next, I'm going to give that a quick toss. You can season to your liking, okay? Make sure you add salt and pepper to taste. My oven is preheated on 400. After we add this to the baking dish, we will be covering with foil and we are going to bake this for about 30 minutes to 35 minutes. Here I'm adding in about 1 to 2 teaspoons of butter. Add in our mix that we created, okay? After that, we're going to add in a couple teaspoons of butter. Now here I'm just making a little Cajun gravy. I added some oil and butter to the pan, and once it got hot on a medium-high heat, I added some flour, mixed that up very well for about 2 minutes. Then add my onions in there and let that saute for 2 more minutes. I deglaze that pan with a little bit of water. You can use broth of your choice. It's up to you. Once I mixed it until it was smooth, I added of that water. And I let the gravy boil for about 5 to 7 minutes until it was to my liking. I checked it, then I had it on low for about 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, and then after that, we're just going to pour that gravy sauce. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. If you decide to recreate this recipe, be sure to tag me on Instagram at Chazs Cuisines Story.